Yes, guys, Canva AI text to image. Let's go. So, guys, you can see me on Canva right now. I'm going to just show you something where they've got these new features now. So, if I click on apps here on the left, on the side, let me click on apps. And then what you've got is the featured one is this text to image. Now, look, text to image has become pretty big right now. You know, you've got Mid Journey, you got loads and loads of different new softwares out there, or apps, or websites that are doing this text to image now. And the quality is fantastic, you know, like it's real AI, real quality. So, what I wanted to do is I wanted to very quickly look at this. Now, don't forget, there's quite a few features that they've got in terms of Canva. You know, these are some of the new features. You got text to image, you got AI presenters. This is quite interesting. You got a SharePoint, different code format, vouch, display now, and so on. I'm not going to really look at anything else apart from the text to image because that's kind of the more the main one that I really want to focus on. So without further ado, guys, if you do like mini tutorials, ways to make money, any videos like that, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe. Please smash that notification bell, notification bell, to get more videos like this, guys. Thank you very much. So let's check this out. Text to image. Now, what you do is go to generate image. Quite easy, actually. Let me say use a new design. Yeah, let me use a new design. Let me go to a doc. So I'm getting a new sort of page, if you like. And let me just get rid of that for a second. Don't want that. So let's try this text to image. So here it is. It's all set up. It's on the left here. It says just type in what you want. Include objects, colors, locations, surroundings, whatever. It says try an example. So here you go. It says I clicked on example just to see what it says. It says a treehouse in cinematic lighting. So let's go down to create your image. Let's see how it looks. Now there's also loads of different styles that you can use. If I just click on see all, you can see there's lots of different styles, digital art, photos, minimalistic, you know, quite a few different styles, but we'll look into that in a minute. Let's just go back very quickly. Let's go to create the image for what the prompt says. Remember, they've given us an example, so this should be quite good, hopefully. So clicking in the example now, and then let's see what comes up. So now it's kind of working on it. Okay, that's quite nice. So what was it again? A treehouse cinematic lighting. That's quite good. I mean that's quite nice. That looks quite good. And what they do is they've given me a few different examples. So here's a few more. Here's another one, which is also quite nice. And yeah, so you know it does what it says. Hopefully on the box. Now in terms of styles, if we click on the different styles, obviously you'd need to like adapt it to that style. So you know you might say dreamlike or whatever it is, or whatever style you want. So let's actually try this, as in like creating our own. Now that was them creating it for us, but let's just create our own prompt. So I want to type in giraffe. Sorry, got a bit of a cough. Giraffe, a running in the street. A giraffe running in the street. Let's see what happens. All right. Let's see what it does. Giraffe running in the street. It's going to be interesting. Okay. Well, that's quite nice. Look at that. That's pretty good. And I think I did it in that sort of cartoon style, maybe. What did I do it in? Yeah. I did it in dreamlike style. Yeah, so let me just click on that. That looks really good, actually. That looks nice. That's pretty cool. Okay. Let me try it with a filmic style. There's quite a few styles of photo style, right? Photo style. Let's create it again. Let's see what happens. Same sort of thing, giraffe running in the street, just in a different style. Now let's see what this one comes up with now. Oh, this is good. Wow, look at this. Guys, look at this. This is not too bad, is it? It's quite nice. Giraffe running in the street. Don't know about that top one though. That one looks mad. Look at this one. Not sure about that one. Looks kind of weird, but guys, this is quite fun. It's actually a fun little tool. This one's probably more what I was thinking about. Yeah, that's probably more. But look, guys, look. I mean, it creates what you ask for. You know, it's pretty cool tool. Let me just try one more. Let me type in clown driving a car. All right, let's have a look. I'm gonna keep it in the same style. I like that sort of photo style. Let's see if it does anything. This is quite fun. Now, Canva's features. This is crazy. No, that's silly. No, that's just silly. Now, that's not what I wanted. Let's see that one. Oh my god, that's ridiculous. Let me see this one. What's what's that? That looks crazy, guys. I don't know. This is funny. Right, I'm gonna leave it there. I mean, the giraffe was pretty cool, but these clowns, they're not looking good. So yeah, guys, that is the text to image tool. Now, obviously, you can do what you like with it. You can share it, you can download it, um, and put it on to whatever you need it as. Just like anything else, guys, it's very simple. I mean, it's literally just creating what you're saying. But I would definitely play around with these prompts. Try and work on it, see how you can make it as realistic as possible. What I do like is they do have a lot of features. Also, I do like the style. And also to bring up something so quick is pretty amazing, really. The prompts, I mean, to create something that quick and give you, options and four different styles it's pretty good. I mean, look, I was very impressed with the giraffe. I think the giraffe is amazing. Definitely amazing. I think that was fantastic design. Let me just go back to it if I can. See what I like about. I mean, this is really good. This is good quality. This is very good quality. So guys, yeah, I think it's a fantastic addition to the Canva suite. I mean, Canva's got some amazing tools, as you know, and if you don't know about it, do check it out. Yeah, check out the links in my description as well. I do have a free link to Canva Pro for 30 days, I believe, a free trial, should I say? Um, a free trial for sure. So test it out, have a look at it. But look, Canva's produce something else. And like I said, with these AI designs, you can always do something that somebody requests for you. And again, there's a way of making money through these, which is, like I've said it before, you could include a freelance service where you're selling your service. And look, AI artists, AI design, AI art has become very popular. Look, it's become, it's one of the new topics in the design suite when you're selling your services. Look, you can actually create designs and art, AI designs at the request of customers. And look, you can charge money from 16, 40 pounds, £100 here. It's quite interesting. Yet you can produce it quite quickly. So that's quite interesting. There's a way of monetizing this too, and obviously there's different types. you know I do like what they do, because look, for example, this style was really, really interesting when I did it, in terms of, there's retro anime, there's watercolor. Let's try watercolor just very quickly, because I think that looks pretty. I think I can imagine that would be pretty cool. Now, don't forget, you can produce something like this and you sell it as a kind of wall art or wall design. I think it's still working off that clown driving car one. But you can produce art basically in this way. Um and it's fantastic, guys. Like, it looks really cool, and it's something that you can actually do and use, and sell even. So You know, if apart from Fiverr, not only Fiverr, but you could go something like Etsy, and you can produce something. And look, this is Etsy AI digital art, digital download. You know, people request this all the time, and you know, people are selling this all the time. Look at this one. How many reviews for this kind of design and art? And you know, you can produce this as well in Canva. So you know, look at this. Let's say you produce something, someone gave you a photo, and then you transform the design into a kind of artistic style. So guys, you know, this is an interesting addition to Canva, and I think something that will definitely, you know, help help us also find a way of making some money out of this. So I think it's pretty cool. Aside from that, it's something, a tool that you could use in your own work or your own project work. So yeah, that's Canva AI text to image. Hope you liked the video. Remember, check out all my other videos on Canva. If you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and I shall see you on the next one, guys. Take care.